market means that there is a massive micro SD mobile storage opportunity also. And it keeps growing because so long our mobile and smartphone base keeps increasing, the opportunity on the mobile storage solutions, particularly micro SD, also continues to increase. So there is a massive opportunity. Opportunity also is not only in sheer size of volume. Opportunity is in the performance levels and capacities also, because people are buying phones with people are buying smartphones with higher capabilities, smartphones with 4K video capability built in, with higher capacity built in, and they are using it for all kinds of usages, capturing still pictures, taking videos. So what we see opportunity increasing in terms of better the premium products also. So that is the opportunity. In terms of challenge, I think the challenge which is any business faces in India is how do you make your products available in an extremely wide manner available? Because mobile phones are very pervasive in India. Right from the tier 1, tier 2 cities, in upcountry markets, rural markets, there is a consumption of mobile phones. So the challenge is how do we have a better coverage. Second thing is, with so many different features coming in the products, somebody must educate resellers as well as consumers that these features are available. So the challenge for a vendor like us is how do we not only make the products available through distribution, how do we train the distribution channels, how do we train reseller channels, how do we reach to consumers in these markets and update them about what kind of solutions are available. So that is the challenge, and then we continue to work on it. We believe that after the acquisition, the combined entity is in an unprecedented position to be one-stop shop of storage solution for any, whether it's an OEM or a consumer. We now provide a complete portfolio of storage solution. Starting from a data center to a mobile phone, solutions are available from one entity. This also provides us an opportunity of integrating many solutions wherever possible, optimizing solutions across different kinds of hosts. So we believe it's a great opportunity for the combined entity as well as for our customers.
Okay.
But we have been consistently launching newer products. Actually, for our mainstream consumers, during the last 2 years, we have brought in a large portfolio of products, including the cutting-edge technologies like Type-C connector, USB 3.1. You saw in my slide I showed the entire portfolio which had existing products at mainstream prices, but including the best-in-class technology like 3.1 as well as Type-C connectors, and that effort will continue. So we have already been launching our portfolio of mainstream products is actually very robust. We have mainstream mobile cards which are class 10 compliant. We have mainstream USBs which are USB 3.10 compliant. And then on the imaging side for the cameras, again we have the same products that are available in the mainstream price range, and that will continue going forward. SSD market is another area where we will continue to see very strong growth, because as the prices of SSDs are coming lower to the mainstream levels, more and more users are adopting SSDs in their laptops and desktops also to get the advantage of faster speeds and the advantage that it is shock proof, vibration proof, etc. As I shared, almost IDC forecast is almost 57% of laptops that will ship in next year will have SSD by default. And people who have installed a base of older storage technologies will also continue to transfer. In terms of non-consumer segment like data centers, that transition is already in the final stage.
Do you see any?
On the consumer side, consumers will always expect lower and lower price points. As the volumes of consumer products are increasing, the prices are already come to a mainstream level. So that would continue, because as the volume grows, the SSD prices will continue to come down. So you will see this transition continuing over next couple of years.
So as we are
So for a SanDisk retail and channel oriented product portfolio, channel is the most significant part of the market, or significant area where our investments and efforts go into. Because our products, for our retail products, channel is the structure. So what we do is we continuously work on expanding our channel reach. For last 3 years, SanDisk has been working on a very ambitious plan called Geo Expansion Plan, where our goal has been to constantly expand our coverage across multiple cities. As I'm talking to you, we have a robust coverage in almost 30 cities across the country. When I'm talking of coverage, that means not only our products reach there, our promotions, our trainings, our merchandising, everything, every aspects of our programs reach in those markets. That is one. Second is the reseller training. We believe that consumers will have the option of buying the right product for their host, whether it is a laptop, whether it is a desktop, whether it is a mobile phone, unless somebody tells the consumer that what is the right option. Often in India, that place is the reseller. So we are putting a lot amount of effort in a relentless program wherein we go and train resellers in city after city, so that they are updated about what are the new products and technologies are available, and then they sell. Third thing is channel business is often is about more promotions, excitement, etc. So what we have been doing is we very regularly run those promotions and channel campaigns. The last one is when we ran for the festival period, starting from August till January 2016. We ran a campaign for our channel partners, wherein any product that was sold, there was a random award draw of a gift hamper of 504 GB, which had 4 of our key products in the hamper. So those kind of things also bring excitement in the channel, because this draws more consumers. So those are the kind of activity we have been doing and will continue to do.
So if you can.
For a vendor like us, channel is a way of meeting the consumers. Because we have seen that in the length and breadth of the country, consumers still like to go to traditional retail channels and traditional channels of procuring the products. So for us, that channel will always be a very important part of our area of work and portfolio. So our assurance is, as we have been continuing to investing in programs, efforts and training for the channel, that part will continue. So we will not only keep bringing newer products that we will place in those traditional channels, we will continue our effort wherein they are actually trained and better equipped in educating the consumers about those products. So our efforts on traditional channel will continue as we go forward.
Thank you for watching this video. Also, please subscribe our page and like us on social media to help us in reaching more people. Till we come up with our next video, goodbye and take care.